understand at all. But that's why they have so many underwater train wrecks, because all of their trains are underwater. You see? And if you really stretch your brain out, you can see all the signs and coincidences. They tell you they're coincidences. But I know the truth. Have you even met a Canadian? Have you ever been to Canada? If you say no, then I was right. And if you say yes, you're all lying. I know the truth now. I'm on to you. But in seriousness, I have no idea why CPR has so many fucking trains. I know the terrain is bad up there. You know, there's more opportunity for it to happen. But the Canadian National Railway doesn't nearly as many as CPR does. So I have no idea what the deal is. Weird chain of events? Lack of track maintenance? I don't know. But they did lose another one. And this one is a lot more recent than the trains we talked about before. It's not even a steam engine. This happened on April 1st in 1976. And first of all, someone died, and April Fool's Day is supposed to be funny. And you're ruining it, CPR. Following that, the locomotive question was an RS-18, number 8739. RS-18s are diesel-electric locomotives, and they were manufactured by Montreal Locomotive Works. Hence why the main buyers of this locomotive type happen to be called Canadian Railways. In fact, Canadian National bought 125 of this type of locomotive. Canadian Pacific was in second place with 72. They're good diesels overall, nothing inherently special about them, but they're fine locomotives. In fact, many of them are still in service to this day. I'm also excited because when it comes to this particular RS-18, I can finally discuss hybrid diesels. Now, plug unit is a blanket term referring to basically the majority of modern diesel types. It contrasts with car body types in a few notable ways. Car bodies are, well, don't have silent. Plug units are narrower and have silent. For heating or other purposes. They could also be used for toilet facilities or just extra storage. And the thing was, back in the 60s and 70s, it was actually common to run the train long hood first. So it being high on the short end, it didn't really mean much. The reason for this was twofold. It gave the crew more protection in the event of a collision, but also felt more like a steam engine. So for crews who had to be retrained to run diesel locomotives, this setup just felt more familiar to them. Management liked the idea of making sure the crews were happy enough. But still, like I said, the design's fallen out of favor because at the end of the day,